Drainage system: saline water, ocean 97.3%, inland sea salt lake 0.009%, saline water 97.31%, fresh water 2.69%, ice cap and glacier 2%, groundwater 0.68%, lake 0.09, river 0.01, water vapor 0.019%. Drainage system: water flow through well-defined channel, river and its tributary. Factor: geological time period, topographic nature, structure of rock, slope, water amount, flow periodicity. Drainage pattern: dendritic tree branches, northern river Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus Godavari. Radial: river originated from hill, flow in all directions. Example: Son, Narmada from Amarkantak release. Primary tributary flow parallel and secondary tributary join at right angle. Damodar. Centripetal river discharge water from all directions in a lake or depression. Loktak Lake in Manipur. Rectangular rivers bend at right angle, forming a rectangular pattern due to fault and join in rock. Example: Kosi, Vindhya region. Major basin: 20,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. कैचमेंट एरिया: 14 गंगा, ब्रह्मपुत्र, कृष्णा, तापी, नर्मदा etc. गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र, मेघना 43%. मीडियम बेसिन: 2,000 से 20,000 किलोमीटर. 44 रिवर: मेघना, कालिंदी, पेरियार. माइनर बेसिन: लेस देन 2,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. हिमालयन ड्रेनेज: पेरेनियल, fed by melting snow and precipitation. Giant gorge: carved out of erosion. River meandering in plain with shifting course due to own sediment deposition. Kosi, Soro of Bihar. Mountain V-shaped valley, rapid waterfalls. Plain, flat valleys, Oxbow Lake, floodplain, braided channel, delta near river mouth. Evolution: Shivalik or Indo-Brahma river traversed entire Himalayan region, divided into Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra in Pleistocene period. Region: upheaval in western Himalaya, including uplift of Potwar Plateau, Delhi Ridge and down thrusting of Malda Gap between Rajmahal Hills and Meghalaya Plateau. Indus system: Indus 1114-2880 किलोमीटर in India, called Sindhu. Origin near Bokharchu Glacier of Kailash Mountain in Tibet. Singyung Kamban or Lion's Mouth in Tibet. Flow through Ladakh, forming gorges at Gilgit in J&K. Emerge out of hills near Atok, where receive Kabul River on right bank. Receive Panchnar, Satluj, Byas, Ravi, Jhelum, Chenab, एवं मिठानकोट. Discharge into Arabian Sea east of Karachi. Tributary Panchnar, Jaskar, Suru, Gilgit, Nubra, Sigar, Gastineau, Dras, Khurram, Tochi, Gomal, Bibobha. Jhelum rise at Berinag at Pir Panjal in Kashmir Valley. Flows through Srinagar, Wular Lake. Join Chenab in Pakistan. Chenab, largest tributary of Indus. Chandra and Bhaga join at Tandi, Himachal Pradesh, forming Chandrabhaga. Ravi rise of Rohtas Pass on Kullu Hills and flow through Chamba Valley, Himachal Pradesh. Byas origin from Byas Kund near Rohtang Pass. Flow through Kullu Valley, forming gorge at Kati and Largi in Dhauladhar. Meet Satluj near Harike. Satluj origin in Rakas Tal near Mansarovar, Tibet. Langchen Khambab antecedent passes through Sipkila, Bhakra, Nangal project. Ganga rises in the Gangotri glacier near Gaumukh, 3900 meters in Uttarkasi district of Uttarakhand, where it is known as Bhagirathi. Cuts through central and lesser Himalaya in narrow gorge. At Devprayag, Bhagirathi meets Alaknanda, after which becomes Ganga. Enter plain at Haridwar. Length 25 किलोमीटर. उत्तराखंड 110 किलोमीटर. यूपी 1450 किलोमीटर. बिहार 445 किलोमीटर. वेस्ट बंगाल 520 किलोमीटर. बेसिन एरिया 8.6 किलोमीटर 8.6 लाख के स्क्वायर किलोमीटर इन इंडिया. लार्जेस्ट रिवर सिस्टम ऑफ इंडिया with perennial and non-perennial tributaries originating in Himalaya and peninsular plateau respectively. Son is major right bank tributary. Major left bank tributary: Ramganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, and Mahananda split into distributaries. Bhagirathi and Padma finally drain into Bay of Bengal near Sagar Island, forming the Sundarban Delta, largest delta of the world. Alaknanda source in Satopant Glacier above Badrinath, formed by Dhauli and Vishnu Ganga meeting at Joshimath, Vishnu Prayag. Tributary include Pindar joining at Karn Prayag, Mandakini Kali Ganga joining at Roj Prayag, Yamuna, longest and westernmost tributary of Ganga, source in Yamunotri Glacier in Bandar Punch Range, join Ganga at Prayag. Right bank tributary Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Ken. Left bank tributary Hindon, Rind, Sengar, Varuna, Chambal origin near Maho in the Malwa plateau of MP, flows northward throughout George near Kota in Rajasthan, where the Gandhi Sagar Dam is built. Flow through Kota, Savai Madhopur and Dholpur before joining Yamuna. Famous for battleland topography called Chambal Ravines. Gandak comprises two streams, Kali Gandak or Tirsul Ganga, rise in Nepal Himalaya between Dhaulagiri and Mount Everest, drain the central Nepal Himalayas, enters the Ganga plain in the base Champaran, joins Ganga at Sonpur near Patna. Ghagra origin in the glacier of Mapcha Chungo tributary Tila Set Veri emerges from mountain carving a deep gorge at Sisa Pani called Sharda Kali or Kali Ganga before joining Ganga at Chhapra. Kosi, an antecedent river, the source north of Mount Everest in Tibet. After crossing central Himalaya in Nepal, it receives Son Kosi from west and Tamur Kosi from east. After joining Arun, it forms Sapt Kosi, shore of Bihar. Due to flood and shifting channel, join Ganga near Kursela, Katihar. Ram Ganga rises in the Gadwal hill near Garsain, enters plain near Najibabad, finally join Ganga near Kannauj. Damodar flows along the eastern margin of Chota Nagpur plateau through a rift valley. Main tributary of Barakar finally join Hooghly, once known as Sorrow of Bengal, now regulated by Damodar Valley Corporation Multipurpose Project. Sardar Sari rise in Milan Glacier in Nepal Himalaya, where it is called Gori Ganga. Along the Indo-Nepal border, it is known as Kali Sarda. Join Ghagra, Ayodhya on its coast. Mahananda, left bank tributary of Ganga, rises in the Darjeeling Hill. Join Ganga in Godagadi. Soon, large south bank tributary of Ganga originating from Amarkantak Hills in Maikal Range flow through Chhattisgarh, MP, UP, Jharkhand, Bihar tributary Rihand, North Koil, Bansagar Dam, Rihand Dam on Rihand, Indrapuri Barrage, Koilwar Bridge. Brahmaputra system. Brahmaputra origin in Chemungdung Glacier of Kailash Range near Mansarovar Lake, flow eastward in southern Tibet as Tasangpo, the purifier, for about 1200 km. Receives Rango Tasangpo as major right bank tributary in Tibet. Cuts a deep gorge near Namcha Barba, 755 meters in the Himalayas, and enters India west of Sadiya in Arunachal Pradesh, where it is called Siang or Dihang. Dihang flowing southwest, it receives Dibang and Lohit, and thereafter becomes Brahmaputra. Length in Assam Valley about 750 km. Left bank tributary Buri, Dihang, Dhansari, right bank Subansari, Kameng, Manas, Sankosh enter Bangladesh near Dhubri and flows as Jamuna. Finally merge with Padma and drains into Bay of Bengal, known for flood, channel shifting and bank erosion due to heavy rainfall and large sediment load. Peninsular drainage system older than Himalayan river system. The rivers show broad, shallow valley and graded profile, mostly seasonal and rain-fed. Western Ghat act as a main water divide. Majority of river flow west to east into Bay of Bengal, except Narmada and Tapi flowing into Arabian Sea. River like Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Son, Throw rising in peninsular belong to Ganga system. Evolution of peninsular drainage, subsidence of water western flank disturbed the symmetrical drainage pattern of original watershed. Upheaval of Himalayas. Northern flank of peninsular block subdivided, forming rift valley of Narmada Tapti. Tilting of peninsular block. Slight tilt from northwest to southeast oriented drainage towards Bay of Bengal. Major peninsular river Mahanadi rises near Sihava in Raipur district, Chhattisgarh. Flows through Odisha to Bay of Bengal. Godavari, largest peninsular river, also known as Dakshin Ganga, rises in Nashik district of Maharashtra, drain into Bay of Bengal. After Rajahmundry divided into branches forming large delta tributary Pen-Ganga, Indravati, Pranhita, Manjira flows through Maharashtra, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, length about 1665 km. Krishna, second largest east-flowing peninsular river, rises near Mahabaleshwar in western Ghats. Sahyadri flows through Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. Length 1401 km. Tributary Koyana, Tungabhadra, Bhima, Ghatparwa, Musi, Raichur, Doab between Krishna and its tributary Tungabhadra. Kaveri origin at Talkaveri in Brahmagiri Hills in Kodagu district of Karnataka. Flows through Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry, nearly perennial. Length 800 km. Receive rainfall from southwest and northeast monsoon. Tributary Kabini, Bhavani, Amravati Dam, Krishna, Raja Sagar, Matured Stanley Reservoir, Kalyani, Grand Cut Waterfall, Shiv Samudram. Hogankal, its fertile delta known as Garden of Southern India. Narmada origin Amarkantak plays to flow in a rift valley between Vindhya and Satpura range. India's fifth longest river, longest west flowing river. Famous Marble Gorge, Dhuadhar waterfall near Jabalpur, passes through MP, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Length 1312 km. Drained into Arabian Sea near Bharuch, forming estuary. Sardar Sarovar project built on it. Tributary Taba, Barna, Kolar, Tapi. Tapti best flowing origin at Satpura range. Multai in Betul district of MP. Drained into Arabian Sea via Gulf of Khambat near Surat, Diamond City. MP, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Tributary Purna, Girna, considered as daughter of Surya, sun god in Hindu mythology. Ukraine Dam, Luni, largest river Rajasthan, originate near Pushkar in two branch, Saraswati and Sabarmati, meeting at Govindgarh. After emerging from Aravali, known as Luni, in Run of Kutch. Ephemeral river system called Salt River. Lavanbati, tributaries Johari, Jawai और Sukri. Other west flowing river Sabarmati origin Aravali Hills, mouth Gulf of Khambat, Ahmedabad, Sabarmati, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Mahi, Mehnad Lake, Vindhyachal Hills, MP, Rajasthan, Gujarat, mouth of Gulf of Khambat. Only river to cross Tropic of Cancer. Twice called Ganga of Tribe and Golden Line of Southern Rajasthan. Kadapa Dam, Baitarani rises from Trimbak Hills, Sahyadri range in Nashik, Maharashtra, only 2 km away from Godavari. India's second longest river, Kalindi or Kali, rises in Belgaum district and drains into Karwar Bay. Supa Dam, Vedati Ganga Valley, source Hubli, Dharwar, Karnataka. Magid Falls, Vedati Varda, tributary of Tungabhadra River, interlinking project. Saravati, origin Shimoga district, Karnataka, famous for jog or Garospa Falls Dam, Lingan Makki and Garospa Mandovi Mahadai, called lifeline of Goa, rises in Bhimgad, Belgavi district, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa. Atul Seth Atal Setu in Panji, Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, waterfall Doodh Sagar, Bajra Poha, Karnataka's Kalsa Banduri Nala project divert water from Mandovi to Malaprabha, Juari, Juari Agnesini, largest river of Goa, tidal river, origin Hemad same in western Ghats Sahyadri, mouth at Mamugaon Harbour near Vasco da Gama, best flowing river Kerala, Bharatpuj or Ponai Pera rises near Annamalai Hills, cultural lifeline of Kerala, Malla Puja Dam or Mamankam Festival. Periyar, origin in Sivagiri Hills, joins Chalakuddi River, Vembanar Lake Dam, Idukki, Malla Periyar, Pamba, Ganga of Kerala, drain into Vembanar Lake, irrigates Kuttunad rice bowl of Kerala, Sabrimala Temple, Aranmulla Balam Kali boat race, Marmao Convention, largest annual Christian convention, Maniyar Dam, Sabrigiri Hydro Project. Other east following rivers, Subarnarekha, origin Chota Nagpur, Plateau near Ranchi, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Hundru Fall, Brahmani, found by confluence of Sank and South Koel near Rourkela, Jharkhand and Odisha. Bhitarkanika mangroves, mouth of Dhamra, bank of Bay of Bengal. Baitarni, Ganga of Odisha, from Odisha Jharkhand border. Bamsdhara, origin near Lanjigarh in Odisha, flow through Andhra Pradesh. Pennar, origin in Nandi Durg range, Karnataka. Palad, origin near Talagbada village in Kollar, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Bagai, origin in Baru Sandhu Hills, Western Ghat, lifeline of Madurai, empty in Palk State. Thamirabarani, the only perennial river of Tamil Nadu, origin Agarsatarkudam peak in Pothigai Hills, mouth Gulf of Mannar. Himalayan versus peninsular basis, Himalaya river peninsular, origin Himalaya glacier snowfield, peninsular hill, Western Ghats, Central Highland. Nature, perennial, flow throughout the year, mostly seasonal, rain-fed. Water source, snow melt, glacier rainfall, mainly monsoon rainfall. Age, young or old. Valley type, deep V-shaped gorge in mountain, broad and shallow valley. Course, long and highly meandering, comparatively shorter and straight. Gradient, steep gradient in upper and coarse, gentle gradient. Erosion, high vertical erosion, more lateral erosion. Depositional, large alluvial plain with extensive deposition, limited deposition. Flood, frequent flood, less frequent flood. Basin size, very large basin, comparatively a smaller basin. Navigability, more navigable in plain, limited navigability. Delta formation, large delta, common some delta and some estuaries. Tributary, large number of tributary, fewer tributary. Water volume, high discharge, lower discharge. Example, Ganga river, Brahmaputra river, Indus river, Godavari, Krishna river, Kaveri river, Narmada river.